I got one of the We Are Knitters kits. I am so excited. So this one is a kit that is a collaboration between 2 of Wands and We Are Knitters. So let's take a look what you get inside. I am so excited. I haven't even opened it. Can you see? It's still closed. Let's take a look together. So let me open this beautiful bag. As it says, all the happiness in a kit. Ooh, I'm so excited. So let's see what we're getting inside. So when I opened it, I got 4 skeins of this beautiful yarn, which is called We Are Knitters The Cotton. It's 100% Peruvian Prima cotton. And it is, oh boy, so soft. I can't believe this yarn. I mean, it's so squishy, and it feels like it's going to have the perfect drape when you're wearing this project in the end. So this is the color Sand. So I got 4 of these skeins for this particular pattern. So let's take a look what else I got. I also got this crochet needle. It's funny that they call it a needle, probably because they're We Are Knitters, but that's kind of nice that you're getting a hook with it. So this is a 7mm hook, and it's nicely wrapped up, secure, and it's wood. And I love that it says We Are Knitters on it. So that's kind of neat. And then it comes with this envelope here, where it says We Are Knitters. So let's see what's inside here. So in this envelope, I got this little tag. This is actually kind of neat. So they're giving you this little tag that you can add to your project in the end. So you can sew it on or whatever you like doing. I would probably just fold it over and then sew it on. It says proudly handmade by myself. We Are Knitters 100% natural fibers. You also are getting some sewing needles, 2 different types, a thin one and a thicker one. Oh, that is perfect because I lose mine all the time. So that's perfect that I'm getting some needles with it. So I did not expect that. And then I have here the pattern, and oh my goodness, I got some stickers. Ooh, I love these. So these ones are for free for each kit, which is so super cool. And you can just take these stickers and stick them anywhere you want. So these are, of course, for specifically We Are Knitters. My assumption is that these are different each time, and I would love to have seen some crochet in between, especially because this is a crochet pattern. But I do have to say I love these, and I will definitely use them on my little notebooks or my computer. They're going to be everywhere, I can tell you that already. So that is a kind of a nice surprise that I got these stickers with it. And then you get, of course, the pattern. I'm not going to be able to show you exactly every part of it, but it's a really nice paper actually that they're printing it on. It's not a simple paper, it's really a smooth paper, and it comes apparently with videos here. So there's a part of it, it says here in the video section, you go to their website, so that's kind of neat. So you're getting videos with it, and it gives you a nice outline on how the pattern is and all the measurements, and then of course the pattern itself, which I can't show you. But it has in the end here, it tells you a little bit more about how to take care of this garment, whether it's hand wash or machine wash, depending on which yarn it is. This particular yarn, as you have seen, is called the cotton. So here it says the cotton, so this is part of the hand wash area here. So you know how to take care of it, and of course you have a little notes section with it. And I would highly recommend for you guys to follow We Are Knitters because they have such beautiful patterns and yarn. This yarn is really so soft, and I can't wait to use it. As I said, this is the English version. You're probably going to have to figure out which language you're going to need. It shows you exactly what you're getting with it. That means you're getting the bag, which is actually very strong cardboard. So it it doesn't rip that fast, so that's kind of nice. You're getting the hook with it, you're getting 4 skeins, you're getting sewing needles, you're actually getting 2, you're getting the little tag, and of course the pattern. In this case, it's the Washed Ashore sweater, which I have to tell you, from this collection, the We Are Knitters and Two of Wands collection, this is my absolute favorite. So I am so beyond excited that I got this one. I can't wait to make it and wear it in this summer. It is so beautiful, and Two of Wands really did an amazing job. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the We Are Knitters and Two of Wands kit. Isn't it beautiful? And you're getting so much with it. Be sure to use my link in the description to get your own kit. I am so excited to be able to use this and create my own sweater. Thank you, We Are Knitters, and thank you, Two of Wands, for making this beautiful pattern. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!